a brand that people recognize instantly? Here's how to build a powerful brand identity step by step. Step 1. Define your brand core. What's your mission, vision, and values? Example: Nike, performance; Apple, innovation. Step 2. Create a strong visual identity. Logo, colors, typography, and design style. Tips: stick to 2 to 3 brand colors to stay memorable and consistent. Step 3. Deliver, develop your brand voice. Are you fun and casual like Wendy's, or serious and professional like Rolex? Stay constant across all platforms. Step 4. Craft your brand story. People connect with stories, not products. Example: Airbnb sells belonging instead of just travel stay. Step 5. Be consistent everywhere. Same fonts, colors, and messaging across Instagram, website, and ads. Want a branding checklist? Comment brand and I will send it to you.